Did you realize your math was off? Have your storage needs changed? No need to worry. Here's how to adjust your wire shelving unit. Our shelving is notched every inch, with double notches every 5 inches. Wire shelves can adjust on these notches even after you've already assembled the unit. To adjust them, all you need is a rubber mallet. First, clear off your shelves. Shelves will only raise if they're kept even and level. To make sure that it lifts smoothly, maintain upward pressure toward the center of the shelf. Take your mallet and tap the underside of each corner of the shelf. You may have to do this a few times, but the upward pressure is key to keeping the shelf from reattaching to the clip. If you're having trouble loosening the shelf, it helps to lay it on its side. Once the shelf is loose from all corners, lift the shelf evenly along the posts. Decide where you want the shelf to move, counting the notches on the post to make sure the shelf will be level. To remove the shelf clips, put your finger on the clip where it attaches and twist away. Then place the shelf clips in their new location. Now you can lower your shelf back into place. Thanks to adjustable wire shelving, you can always reconfigure your unit to suit your needs. If you have any specific questions, leave a comment or feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching.
Shelving.com. We rack your world.